Hello guys, I hope you guys are doing well today. Today I'm going to teach you the informal and formal words for IELTS test. So let's begin with folks. Folks is informal, so you should avoid using it in your IELTS writing. And relatives is formal. Kids is informal. Infants, your offspring, it's formal. Old people, don't use it in your writing in IELTS. Use senior citizens. The other word is great, awesome. It can be used in spoken English, no problem. But in written English, um, you should use preferable, desirable. On the left side, stupid. You can't use it in your in writing. So use instead misguided. Happy person, satisfied. Okay, sad person is informal. Regretful, distressed. These are formal words. Poor country, you can't use it in your written English, especially in IELTS essay. So you should use developing country or poverty stricken. These are the formal words. If somebody is poor, you can say underprivileged. Society, also you can use rich country. That is informal and it can be used for spoken English, but for formal written English, specifically for IELTS writing, task 2 and task 1, you should use wealthy or developed. If a person is rich, like a rich person, then you can use wealthy or privileged. So these are some of the formal and informal words which I took from some different sources in order to help you use them appropriately in your spoken and written English. So on the left hand side, these words are informal and can be used for the spoken English, because you know the spoken English is mostly it's very natural and you're allowed to use some informal language in your IELTS test even. But as far as the written English is concerned, so you have to make sure to use the appropriate language, which means formal language, and that will help you revamp your existing communication skills and also enhance your band score in IELTS. I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also leave a comment as what kind of videos you want me to make for you in future. I will be happy to respond and to make videos of your choice. I'm open to discussion. You can also leave a comment. You can also take my online session, one-to-one session. I'll leave my WhatsApp number in the description below, and also please don't hesitate to ask me any question in a comment. If you want to look for a one-to-one session, mentoring and coaching for IELTS, then you can also let me know for that. I'll be more than happy to help you out with that. I hope you have a good day, and thank you very much for watching, and keep sharing my video with your friends and family and relatives. Thank you very much.